Pregnancy, fever, nausea and cough, trimester tips. Fever, nausea, or cough during pregnancy? Don't panic, but don't ignore this. In the first 3 months, nausea is very common. Eat small meals, sip ginger tea, and stay hydrated. Cough and mild cold may happen due to low immunity. Use warm fluids, steam inhalation, and rest. Avoid self-medication. Only take medicines your doctor approves. Your body is heavier now. Fever or cough can make you very weak. Drink fluids, take proper rest, and monitor temperature regularly. High fever, severe vomiting, chest pain, breathing trouble, or dehydration. Seek medical help immediately. Save this video and share with every pregnant mom you know.